start about the set. So set, I also want to repeat the same thing. Set is unordered collection of items. There will be no ordered. It can be haphazard. It can be starting, the end, there will be no sequence. In sets, sequence does not matter and indexing has no meaning. The position, it does not matter. And the sequence, it is also not matter. Set are denoted by curly braces. These three items, these three characteristics are sets are main important. If you want to know more details about the set, you can just read down these lines. And just remember that set cannot have duplicate items. Duplicate means repeat item will not be there. If the 2 earlier I just show in the program, if I'm using the 2 in the 5 times or the 10 times, but in set they are taking only single time, only one time. So in here you can see s is equal to, they are telling that in the set they are using the curly bracket curly braces, that means the second bracket, and they are using 1 2 2 times 3 1 and hello. So retain unique element only. That means they are using the 2 3's, but they are giving 1 2 3 and hello. 3 they are not repeating here. If I am increasing the value of the 3 4 times, still they will take only one time. But I am using 31, that is also the one time, that's why they are giving the 31. Now sets cannot support assignment. That means set doesn't have any index value. Index means position. In the tuple there are the positions or the indexing, but in sets remember that there is no position or sequence value. So here they are using the, I am using s is the variable. Within s 1 2 3 4 I am just taking one set, and within this set in the s third bracket 0 means 0 is the index number, is equal to 4. I just want to change in the 0th index, instead of using the 1 I want to change into 6. So there is no index value in the set, so that's why the program will throw the error, type error, because they cannot understand what is the 0th position, because in the set simply say there is no index. And the same thing, if I just want to know about the which is the position 0 value, set I am taking the 1 2 3 4 value, and s third bracket 0 means the 0th position. I already explained right now there is no indexing here, so that's why the Python will not able to trace which is the value of the 0th position, because there is no concept of the indexing in the set. So that's why they are giving the error, type error. Now I just want to explain by passing a tuple to a set function how it works. I am using here only one set function. A is equal to set yellow first bracket is there, then within yellow first bracket purple first bracket it is there, 1 2 3 4 I am passing there, and this data type is transferred into the set. How we can understand it is set? In the set we remember the second bracket or the curly braces is used here, so you can see there is the data type is already changed into set, so that's why they are using the curly bracket. And then I am just checking whether it is set or not. If I just use the type function, then I can easily and pass the a value, then I can easily understand this is right now the set. The program is just throwing the output that is set. By passing a list to a set function, what is that? Set by passing list to set. We are just passing a list, then we are just transferred here. So how we can pass the list? We remember that one, that a is equal to set within yellow first bracket we are using third bracket, that is the list characteristics. We write down the list in this way. We are using third bracket in the list. So 1 2 3 4 4 4 4. Then we are just using the set function. What the set function it does, it uses the second bracket, first one, and the second thing, whatever the repetitive value it will be there, they are just taking only one time. So if I run that program, then we can see that 1 is one time used, 2 is one time, and 3 is one time, and 4 is the third 3 times is used, but they are taking only one time. And we are checking the type, then it gives the output of set. Again, if I passing the set function set the empty first bracket, then if I checking the type A, then if I print the A, then this program is giving the output, that is the set, empty set. Then we are just updating the set. How we can update that one? I already told you the set cannot be changed, but set can be updated. Cannot be changed means whatever the present is there, you cannot change that value. But if you want to add, then you can do that. But the change you cannot. It means in here 1, 2, 3, 4 value is there. If you want to change the instead of 1, you want to write 5 or 10 anything, you cannot do that. But if you want to add 1, 2, 3, 4, after that you want to add 5, 6, 7, it can be done. So that program is basically saying the same thing. S.update function, that is what they are doing, that we are taking the S variable. I am taking the set 1, 2, 3, 4 and I am just using the one tuple t is equal to 5, 6, 7. Then when I just write down S.update function, and within the first bracket I am passing the t value, then I can see when I just write down the S, then we write down the print the S, then we can see 1, 2, 3, 4 is used here. Then just backside this tuple is 5, 6, 7, that can be added, this 5, 6, 7, but this value cannot be changed. Then updating the set with the list. S is the list, L is equal to, S is the set 1, 2, 3, 4, L is the list, that is I am using the third bracket 5, 6, 7. S.update, what they are doing, that within a 1, 2, 3, 4, that is basically set, they are just transferred this list into the set, and they are just adding the previous set. The update function, basically they are doing the update, but they cannot change it. Then again I am saying here that updating the set with dictionary. How we can update the set in the dictionary? I am just taking the set within second bracket within set within S variable 1, 2, 3, 4. Then within T variable I am using one dictionary, that is the you already remember that one, that is the key value pair 5 is to within single inverted comma Delhi and comma 6 colon within single inverted comma Mumbai. 5 is key, left side is the key, right side is the value. In the sixth, that is the key, Mumbai is the value. So when we update that one, then we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, they are taking that one. In the dictionary, what they are doing, in the dictionary they are just taking the key, not the values. They are taking 5 and 6, they are taking and 5 and 6 value, and they are just updating that one. Set operation, some union of two sets, intersections of two sets, difference between two sets, and semantic difference of two sets. I am going to explain these 4 things in the next program. Let's start those program. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B is equal to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Within this set, X is equal to A dot union B. That means which is repeated both A and B, they are taking only one time. This 4 and 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 within A, and within B 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, this 4 and 5, these are the repetitive. So they are taking only one time of the repetitive value, and rest of the things will be remaining same. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, from the A element they are taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the B they are removing that 4 and 5 because already they took the value. The rest 6, 7, 8, they are just adding it in here. The same thing we can just write down A pipeline B, that is the meaning of the union of two set. This is the another way to write down the union. Then intersection of the two sets symbol is basically AND function. But before that, we just take again the same set within A and within B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and within B 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then X we are taking the variable, then we are using A dot intersection B. That means in A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and in B 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, if you do the intersection, whatever the common value, that means 4 and 5 is available in A and that same value is available in B. So if I run that program is giving the output 4 and 5. That is basically intersection. Intersection means both fields are common within A and within B. It can be write down with the AND function A and B. That means A intersection B, and the output are remaining same 4 and 5. Then difference between two sets. What is that? A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B is equal to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then A dot difference function I just write down here. B, that means they're checking that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is available within A. And they are checking which value is not available in B, that will come the output. That means they are checking from one element. 1 is not there in B, 2 is not there in B, 3 is not there in B. So they are giving the output 1, 2, 3. Then 4 is available within B and 5 is available in B. That's why they are giving the output 1, 2, 3 from A. They are basically checking which value is not available in the B. So that's why they are giving the 1, 2, 3 output. Or it can be write down A minus B, that their meaning is the remaining same, which is not available. A article, A element is not available in B. So that's why they are giving the 1, 2, 3, which is that 1, 2, 3. Then B difference A. What is the meaning of that? Meaning is that whatever the B element is there, that should not be available in within A. In B, 4 and 5, that is available in A, and 6, 7, 8, these three values are not available within A. So that's why they are giving the output is 6, 7, 8. Same thing can be written in different way, B minus A, and the output will be remaining same, 6, 7, 8. Now, symmetric dimension, set A and set B. What is the symmetric dimension? That means whatever A minus B and whatever the output B minus A, that will be included. A minus B means whatever the A available, it is not available in B, they are giving the output. 1, 2, 3 is available or present in A, that comes in here. Then 4, 5 is present within B, so they are not taking. Again, they are checking the criteria within B. They are checking this article whether it is available within A or not. They are also getting that 4 and 5 is available within A, 4 and 5. So they are taking the 6, 7, 8. This 6, 7, 8 comes in here. So in that case, basically they are doing A minus B and B minus A. All the output, they are included here. They are included in here. That's it, and thank you so much for watching my video, and in case is there any doubt, please let me know, and wish you all the best for your happy learning. Thank you.